is
Hello
utility
everyone
being
and
utilized
welcome to
in
Tech Idea.
cohesion
Here we
with
make
him being
tutorials on
hunting.
topics that
It's
might be
like
helpful
the
to you in
best
one way or
analogy
the
I
other.
can
And
give an
today I'm
example
going to
of
be
is like
showing you guys on
flashing out,
how
doing a
to
flashlight into someone's eyes
basically
they can't see, and all of a
stream
sudden they're being
Twitch
hunted. Like,
on Discord.
there's not much that you can do
It's
if you
the
can't see
same
your opponent. I
as
know that sounds so
everything,
simple,
but
but
Twitch is
that's
on its
really
own
all it is.
browser.
It's such a simple
And there's a
plan to go
very simpler
paranoid
way.
out
This
Silo.
is
We
Twitch
know
right
they're
now.
going.
As you can see, VCT is running on Valorant champion. Um, Valorant challengers. I don't know the full form, but whatever. Anyways, as you know, this is going on, and basically you're in a group, you're in a VC, you and your buddies, you all are joined up, and you want to view the stream together. So there's two ways. So when you're using a browser or such, this will pop up. Since I'm using Opera browser, this is, I just renamed my Opera browser so it's like with your mom, but other than that, this will pop up. Now, if this does not pop up, you can always press on share your screen, and remember to always select the application. Make sure the application is if it's closed, it won't pop up if it's minimized, so you'll have to make sure that it's somewhat prompted in a windowed version. And once that's done, you just want to press on Twitch and then just go live. And yeah, the other thing you can do is basically over here, you don't want to do this, because if you share your screen, share your screen right here, as you can see, VCT is running, it's going on over there, and yeah, the sound is not gonna come through. There is a bug with what do you say, browsers, especially with my Discord and browser. That is, if I try to stream the browser, for some reason it just comes in blank. If you're having this problem, do change your stream, change your window to screen 1, and that should fix the issue. And for the sound settings, hopefully your screen will be able to play the sound. So with that being said, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.